I think that we have to find tasks that put students at an impasse. How do we create a find task that supports an impasse? An impasse might mean that they have to make decisions about their thinking or that might have multiple entry points. I also think that we have to think about the ways we engage in discourse. Broaden the space of discourse so more students are being participatory. And I think we increase participation by engaging in discourse. And so that might be questioning, it might be listening to students answer, use of representation, productive struggle. And then the last thing is supporting risk-taking and competency in affirming one's identities. Jacoby, the student who got the wrong answer, his identity was affirmed, although he had the wrong answer, because even if he's called on in a later lesson, he's still willing to participate. He's still willing to participate. So I want to leave you with one of my favorite books. I'm a father. How many of you are familiar with this book, The Important Book? How many of you have read Goodnight Moon, Goodnight Cows Jumping Over the Moon, Goodnight Stars? All right, so the same author here, Margaret Wise Brown, wrote this book. And I borrowed a page from the book. The important thing about rain is that it's wet. It falls out the sky, it sounds like rain, it makes things shiny, and it does not taste like anything, and it's the color of air. But the important thing about rain is that it's wet. Here's my hope for you. The important thing about identity, agency, and positionality is, and I hope that you can fill in that blank with one statement. Come up with 3 really good ideas from what we talked about today, and then fill in that last. If you haven't, or you're not able to do that, I don't think I did my job well enough. I hope I did my job well enough today. So thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I really appreciate it.